Z is equal to A plus IB. So this is a complex number. A complex number is of the form Z is equal to A plus IB. Okay? So can you tell me what is here A? A is nothing but real part. What is that? Real part. Real part of Z. What is this Z? Z is a complex number. Z is a complex number. That complex number is written as A plus IB form. Okay? A plus IB form. Right here, what is B? B is nothing but imaginary part. What is that? Imaginary part of Z. Imaginary part of Z. Why this B is called imaginary part of Z means B is with what? Imaginary number I. Yes or no? B is beside the imaginary number. I is imaginary number. So this B is called imaginary part of Z. Now this Z is equal to A plus IB can be written as A comma B. A comma B. Simply A comma B. What is this one? This notation is called ordered pair. Ordered pair. This notation is called ordered pair. Z is equal to A plus IB is nothing but what? Complex number. That complex number is also written as an ordered pair A comma B. This notation is given by the scientist Hamilton. Okay? Hamilton. This notation is given by scientist called Hamilton. Now tell me, what is here? A is what?
Real part.
A is what? Real part of Z. Okay? And here B is called what? Imaginary part of complex number Z. Right? For example, 2 comma 3. What does this means? This is a complex number that can be written as 2 plus 3i. Yes or no? This is ordered pair is written as 2 plus 3i. So this is what complex number. What is 2 here?
Real part.
Real part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is 3 here?
Imaginary part.
Imaginary part. Imaginary part. Okay? I think this is clear. Right. Take Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. Otherwise you write here simply ordered pair form 2 comma 3. And Z2 is equal to another complex number in ordered form, ordered pair 3 comma 4. Okay? Find Z1 plus Z2. Z1 plus Z2. Okay? So here to get addition of these two complex numbers, we need to add real part, and imaginary part. Yes or no? Right. We will add here. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to 2 comma 3 plus 3 comma 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this ordered pair can be written as 2 plus 3i plus 3 plus 4i. Now add real part and add imaginary part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. This can be written as in ordered form. Tell me what is that? In ordered pair form. So that would be what? 5 comma 7. Yes sir? I think this is clear. Quickly, Z is a complex number that can be written as A plus IB form, where A is called real part of the Z and B is called imaginary part of the Z. Okay? Right. And this notation A plus IB can be written as in ordered pair form A comma B. This ordered pair form is given by the scientist Hamilton. Okay? Right. Addition of two complex number is this one. Okay? Right. Last one. Z is equal to Z1 is equal to something 2 comma 3, okay, and Z2 is equal to something 5 comma 4, okay. Find Z1 by Z2, otherwise find Z1 into Z2. This is one more question, okay. Solution, tell me what is Z1 into Z2? That is multiplication, yes or no? What is Z1 here? 2 comma 3 into 5 comma 4, okay. So this 2 comma 3 is in ordered pair form, so write in simplest form, that is 2 plus 3i into 5 plus 4i. So make multiplication with the real part and imaginary part. So keep in mind here how I will do that. 2 times, write complete part, okay. 2 times 5 plus 4i plus 3i times 5 plus 4i. Same thing, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Multiply 2 with inside 10 plus 8i plus how much here? 15i plus 12. So now what is that? 12i square. Very good. 12i square, okay? 12i square. So here 10 plus how much this is? 23i, yes or no? This is 23i plus 12i square. How much I square is equal to? I square is equal to minus 1. So 10 plus 23i minus 12. Is it okay? I square is equal to minus 1, minus into plus is minus, 12 is same. So how much finally? 23i minus 2. Plus 10 to minus 12 is minus 2. So write in ordered pair form. Write this in ordered pair form. Minus 2 comma 23 only. So this is how we need to multiply two complex numbers. How we need to add two complex numbers. How we add two complex number and how to multiply two complex numbers. You can multiply with 3 complex numbers, no problem. Yes or no? So that is what the exact meaning of addition and multiplication of the complex numbers. Okay? Right. Additive inverse of a complex number z. Additive inverse of z is minus z. Additive inverse of z is minus z. For example, 2 plus. So what is the additive inverse of 2? Here we need to get result is 0. So how to get here 0? What number we need to add to make it here 0? Minus 2. Very good. Minus 2. So minus 2 is called additive inverse of 2 because you are getting resultant 0. Okay? And 2 is called additive inverse of minus 2. Yes or no? He is my friend, I am also his friend. He is my friend, I am also his friend. That is what? Minus 2 is called the additive inverse of 2. 2 is called additive inverse of minus 2. Okay? Right. Here 0 is called additive. 0 is what? Additive identity. Additive identity. Now one more example, quickly tell me. 3 plus equal to 0. So what is additive inverse of 3? Minus 3. Okay? Additive inverse of minus 3 what?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. Why? Because by making addition of these two numbers, you will be getting what? 0. Therefore, additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3 because you are getting 0. Okay? Right, tell me. That's what additive inverse of any complex number is what? Minus z. Okay? Is this okay? Right. Next to multiplicative inverse. Next to what? Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of z is, we will see here. What is z is equal to? A plus IB is a complex number. We need to find the multiplicative inverse of this complex number. For example, 2 into dash is equal to 1. What is here number? By what number we need to multiply to 2, you will be getting 1. If here 1, 2 into 1 equal to 2. So that is not correct. So what number we need to multiply to this 2 to get 1? What is that number? That is correct. You are saying correct. 2 inverse you are saying.
Yes, sir.
2 inverse how to write? In fraction form.
Root
Here 1 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 is called the inverse of multiplicative inverse of 2, and here 2 is called multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 because you are getting 1 here.
Yes, sir.
So this 1 is called multiplicative identity. Okay? What is additive identity? Additive identity is what? 0.
0.
Yes or no? Keep in mind here. So multiplicative identity is 1. Now tell me, what is multiplicative inverse of 3? Multiplicative inverse of 3 is how much? Multiplicative inverse of 3 is what? 1 by 3. Okay? 1 by 3. Because you are getting 3. 1 here. 3 cancel, you are getting 1. So tell me, what is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 3?
3, sir.
Minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Minus 3. Because minus minus plus 3 cancel, you will be getting 1. Is this okay? Right, tell me, what is multiplicative inverse of 1? 1 itself. Yes or no? 1 itself. So next to, what is multiplicative inverse of minus 4?
Minus 1 by 4.
Minus 1 by 4. What is multiplicative inverse of plus 4?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. What is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4?
4.
Yes, 4 1 by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is the concept of multiplicative inverse and multiplicative addition. Right, we will see here formula. Right, z is equal to a plus ib is the given number. Okay, z is given complex number. What is multiplicative inverse of this z? 1 by z. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 by z. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, z is equal to a plus ib into 1 by
A
a plus ib is equal to 1. Okay? Right. A plus ib will make this is simple form. Okay? Into a plus ib, rationalize denominator. So what is that? A minus ib, a plus ib into a minus ib. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are making rationalizing to this denominator. Now tell me, what is here? A plus ib into a minus ib, how much? A plus ib Yes or no? By denominator how much? A plus b into a minus b. How much? Same. A square minus b square. So this is you will be getting here. You can see how much here? A square plus I square is minus 1 minus 2 minus plus here b square by how much? A square. So a square minus b square, okay? And I square is equal to minus 1 b square. So minus 2 minus plus b square. These two are cancelled. So it's equal to how much? 1. Which means you are getting equal to 1. Which means 1 by z is a multiplicative inverse of z and z is a multiplicative inverse of 1 by z. Yes or no? So that is keep in mind. So 1 second. So what is multiplicative inverse of this one? What is multiplicative inverse of z?
1 by z.
1 by z. So what is that? 1 by z. 1 by z. So 1 by a plus ib. Yes or no? Z is equal to a plus ib into a minus ib by a minus ib. I am rationalizing denominator. Which is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b, that is a square plus b square. In numerator a minus ib. So that is to this z multiplicative inverse is 1 by z. 1 by z is equal to how much? A minus ib by a square plus b square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me? Suppose z is equal to a minus ib. A minus ib. What is multiplicative inverse of this one? 1 by z. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 by z. So that is equal to 1 by a minus ib into a plus ib by a plus ib. So we are rationalizing denominator. Here minus sign is there, make it plus plus. Okay? This is what how much here? A plus ib by a minus b into a plus b, that would be equal to a square minus b square. A square minus or minus is plus b square. So that is 1 by z. The multiplicative inverse of this z is equal to a minus ib equal to how much? A plus ib by a square plus b square. So there is an observation that here complex number is given with plus sign. In multiplicative inverse you will be getting numerator minus. Okay? If complex number is given here minus sign, in multiplicative identity you will be getting numerator plus sign. That is what observation. Numerator denominator is same. A square plus b square denominator. Denominator also same. So that is the concept of additive inverse of z is what? Minus z. Multiplicative inverse of z is what?
1 by z.
1 by z.
1 by z. 1 by z. Okay? Quickly I will summarize here what we will learn here. So there is only two concepts we will learn today's topic. First concept is here. I square is equal to what? I square is equal to how much?
Minus 1.
I square is equal to minus 1. And the second one, additive inverse. Additive inverse of z is what?
Minus
Minus z. Okay? And last one, multiplicative inverse of z is what?
1 by
1 by z. We will learn only these three concepts for today's session. So by using these three, we will solve exercise number 1. So quickly, so here, what is multiplicative inverse of what? A plus ib. Already I have derived here itself. Multiplicative inverse of this complex number is what? A minus ib by a square plus b square. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Here plus is there, multiplicative inverse is this one. And multiplicative inverse of a minus ib is what? A plus b by a square plus b square. A plus ib by a square plus b square. Same. basic concept. Try to remember and then try to solve the exercise number 1A. Exercise number 1A. This is the most important concept. From this concept you will be getting 2 marks question. Okay? I square equal to -1. Additive inverse of z is minus z. So that is a plus ib is the given complex number. What is additive inverse of this complex number? Minus of a plus ib. Just put minus sign here. Okay? And multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. So that is here given z is a plus ib. So you will be getting multiplicative inverse of given z is equal to a minus ib by a square plus b square. Okay? And given a minus ib is equal to a plus ib by a square plus b square. So this is for today's session enough, and then we will meet in the next session. Okay?